one, let's make this bunny headband with these materials. First, sketch out a large oval with a flat edge on the longer side of the oval on white A4 paper and cut it out. Next, sketch a leaf-shaped ear with a flat end on white paper and cut 2 of them out by tracing another one from the first one. Do the same on pink paper, but sketch a smaller ear for the inner ear of the bunny. Also cut out a rounded triangle for the nose. Now let's glue it all together. Kids, if you're doing this by yourself, use normal glue. If you want to use the hot glue gun in the video, ask your parents to help you or supervise you so you don't get burnt. Aligning the flat faces of the ears together, glue the pink inner ears on top of the white ears. Then glue the bottom of the ears to behind the head of the bunny. Lastly, glue the nose on and draw 2 eyes, maybe even an extra dainty touch with eyelashes. Ooh. Whiskers and big buck teeth. Now, using the leftover white A4 paper, cut 2 strips of equal width along the longer side and staple both ends together to form a headband that fits your head. Then glue on the bunny head and you're done! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.